Perfect.
Stop ESL.
Well, looks like we're headed down, so.
Unfortunate ESL.
We'll have to wait and see. Where's the right stand? You don't feel though. What is the
Iceberg ESL.
Okay, I'll write this down real quick. Okay, so mute. Mute is control shift. Alright, what's going on here? Everything's sinking, we're silver. I don't know why my trading view is freaking lagging right now, dude. What the frick? Let's like exit this thing and restart it. Alright, so we're saying that 1830. So it's control shift. Cool. It should be like right here. I don't know, to be honest, like as far as like liquidity goes, we have a little bit below us. We did already drop 100 points, over 100 points. Dude, trading me so slow. I'll have to honestly exit it and reopen it because that shit is tripping. Okay, so I don't even know what to say about this. We clearly put that there. I don't know. Gold, not really interested in trading, and silver, I'm not really interested in trading right now, at least. They're both kind of range bound. Silver's in a 1.6 range, and gold, honestly, could probably fall down all the way up to here. So I'd say about This is a 91 point range. It could probably fall down there. I wouldn't go short though, but okay. Am I logged in? I'm not even logged in. Oh shit. Wait, what the hell are you talking about? Oh my god, logged into the wrong thing. Log out. That was my long trigger, but I'm gonna sit and I'll be patient. We do have ISM data coming out pretty soon. Oh god, now this thing fucking doesn't work anymore. You gotta be shitting me, dude. Okay, there we go. It works. We are actually ripping right now. Not really. That's 60 points. That was my level. ISM data comes at 6:45 and 7. So 15 minutes and then 7 a.m. And then we have Kashkari speaking at 10:50, but we'll be done trading by then. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Check this stuff here. Oil's on the rise, dollar's on the high. VIX is lower, so that's good. And so far, what we have is I don't know. Depends on what we have. Okay. Well, that's live. Alright, so everything seems to be going down. Nvidia is ripping higher. That's crazy. We just had a crazy candle too. 50 points. The thing is, right, like, this was the only level that I was actually interested in, was seeing this come down to here. Technically, you can say this was a demand zone. So for that reason, we should just instantly went long down here. We'd be up already 90 points. We'd be done. But I don't know. Today I just don't feel like trading the open, so I'm gonna just wait. But everything fell down on that Iran news that just came out of nowhere. Service now up 7%. Arcad up. Micron up. SanDisk up. Dell is up. Wow, strength in software. Nvidia is still pushing higher. Can Nvidia take us up? Let's see. We'll see. Honestly, this could have been an easy supply and demand trade, but if we have more strength, we crash this over. Possibly can take an entry. We ideally would take an entry there, but however, we do have news coming out pretty soon, so might not be the smartest thing, but we'll wait and see. That would have been 90 points right there. Everything's down except Nvidia, so we'll see if Nvidia can actually take the market higher, but that's a 200-point range. Look at this, price is ripping right now. I'm gonna try to be patient today and just see what patience brings. That would have been a nice little spike up there. Iran stops negotiation with U.S. vows to completely block Strait of Hormuz due to the attacks in
Stop and peace out. Ice for ES buy. Sweet ES sellers. Stop and Q buy.
I don't remember if they know. Five minutes printing here if you would have took this. 60 points. Where's my calculator?
Iceberg and pizza. Sweet and Q sellers.
Here's my just one
Sweet ES buyers. Sweet and Q buyers.
We got data coming out in 10 minutes.
Fortune and Q sellers.
I shouldn't really be messing around with my Discord right now, but we kind of have time because we're waiting for this data.
Stop and Q buy.
So just to unveil the RTX Spark at Computex, a new super chip for Windows PCs featuring NX1 processor. Cool.
Sweet and Q sellers. Stop and peace out.
Alright, well, we're just gonna sit here and be patient. That was basically it. I'm not gonna lie. If I took the trade that I was supposed to take, I'd have been done right now.
Scale automation with a self-hook.
Look at all.
Sweep and Q fires.
Crazy.
No, are you saying, did you know what the stock is made up of?
Just the difference between
QQQ and NASDAQ.
yeah. So it's like practically the same stocks, but QQQ is weighted 50% tech, where the S&P is 35%. So that's really the main difference between SPY and
Wow, ARM's up 12%. Now is up.
like that's positive.
Service now is up 11. Wow, strength in software and enterprise still. That's crazy. Look at this, Dell up 8%. My goodness, dude. That is crazy.
No need to jump into anything.
Bro, can we see the options for Dell real quick?
About weekday reports.
Wow, up almost 200 points, 200%. Service now up a lot. Is this Monday.com? Yeah, Monday.com up. Alright, anyways, let's take a look at the orb strat. What's the orb saying? I don't know. To be honest, I wouldn't really take an orb trade because we're kind of in the middle of the range. So I don't really like taking orb trades in the middle of the range. I'm just gonna keep it simple as hell, bro. Look,
How does it feel?
this was the entry I was supposed to take right here.
I love traveling, dude, but yeah, it's very different when you're trading in the morning compared to the afternoon.
Yeah.
Like that was it. I should have had a limit order set. Would have called it.
But yeah, if you are watching, wherever you are watching, if you are following the top
Stop at literally 20 points.
Yeah.
and that could have been a really nice
You
trade.
just had the 15-minute opening range set now, which is the first 15.
20 points. I would have walked away with 100 points.
Nothing too much in with regards to what I like. You know, potentially we can see a break in weakness.
I wonder if you click this, if it says create limit order. I think it does. Just immediately recreate it.
Yeah, I at the moment I'm just gonna say.
Alright, so we have some data coming out right now.
I still think you sell.
Thank you very much.
And you buyers.
By the way,
And you
for
sellers.
anyone who doesn't know, if
We had just PMI data just came out.
you go to Edgeful.com, you can get a pop-up here for a free futures course. But comment here is good stay sharp email. You go to the blog, send a stay sharp. This is completely for free. You go to Edgeful.com, you go to just click on this thing right here. But these are all the blogs that we send. We send them, or it's more like a newsletter. We send it every Saturday. So you can click on this. You can read it if you want. But the enter your email is going to be right over here, so you can sign up for the actual blogs themselves. But the Stay Sharps are all going to be uploaded here. But yeah, this is I just wanted to call out.
Ideally, we just need 2 50-point trades, right? Make it easy for ourselves.
If you're interested in getting a newsletter every Saturday with data-backed setups, how to use Edgeful, whatever else, how to use API, go. So, edgeful.com/blog is where you go. But, yeah, well, I'm not really sure about the, about this, to be honest.
Yeah, the prospect.
Because I would like to take along,
And
but
you sell.
near the gap fill / midpoint of the orb, and it's like really far away, and the price now for the structure. Gap just filled up yes here. What do you think of New York, bro?
It's very good. If it's good to be there, I don't think I'll personally do it.
Stop and you sell.
I didn't like how you have to take a taxi or Uber or
I'll have to go like 2 blocks, like 30 bucks. Pretty crazy, actually.
Ubers in New York are so expensive.
Yeah, you can actually just walk faster. But obviously when you have luggage and stuff like that,
Yeah.
That's kind of strange. I don't know what's going on here, but
yeah, let's
Stop and you sell.
pretty interested to see if we can fall the way back down to loads or top.
Bro, look at the comment. Look at the comment. New York is the best city to live in. What do you think?
Well, I've never lived there. I can't comment on that, but I'm sure it's different to. I'm sure it's different to. I'm sure it's different to touring, being a tourist there. Obviously.
Yeah. By the way, we had PMI at 9:45.
Yeah, it's coming up. No, it's CMR 10.
ISM at 10.
ISM, yeah.
Yeah. ISM at 10. And then construction spending, I don't know if I can do that.
Definitely, it's not a bad day to celebrate now. Especially that much.
whatever. This thing's looking kind of weird, but it is what it is.
But I do like the shorts of the level, I must say. Like,
If you're asking me what the obvious trade is, at this point we're in the 50% of the range. So as of right now, nothing.
Shouldn't wait.
Because this is literally 50% of the range that we're in. So the trade would have been to take
We're interested in this.
shorts at here, like you take any short at this level or this level or this level or this level. But yeah, I don't really like taking trades in the 50%, but which actually might mean that there may not even be a trade for me today because I kind of already missed the good one. You could always check this too. This is always a good indicator. That was definitely the long that we should have taken.
Oh, it's actually up. So, by the way, James is saying Goldman is breaking because he's looking.
Wow, crazy strength still in. Oh damn, space stocks are down bad. Wow, look at that. They're getting sold. Rocket Lab down 9%, Lunar down 8, Planet Labs down 7, and Space Mobile down 7.
Ice within 2 buys.
That's crazy.
Which is why if you're on Edge, you can see that there are previous close to close or open to close calculations. So right now, Goldman from open to close is actually positive, roughly 1%.
Copy as sell.
But if you look from the previous close, it's actually down.
As sell.
We're getting rejected at VWAP here,
It's a very
which is pretty notable. A lot of liquidity below us on ES.
measuring the performance.
Gold's even still going down, isn't it? Right? Yeah.
The overnight gap and the other ones.
Oh shit! Look at silver. Silver's gone.
You go to
What time is this? 6:10.
what company had crazy earnings that like comparable?
That's not bad. That would have been 500 on silver. I'm not really trying to trade it right now, but
Alright. So if you go to a daily chart on Dell,
I'll be honest. To take a short from silver up here would have been great, but same with gold up here. But we're
you're gonna see a really big gap up.
that's 142.
And I'm gonna try to find a good example here.
This is tough. I don't really know. If I don't see anything, then I don't see anything, right? I mean, I don't know what else.
Okay. So right here, you can see that there's a huge gap up. Right? Here, here, there's a gap up, actually. From the close to the open of the next day, there's a very big gap up. But this daily candle closed red.
I'll tell you one thing. We're looking hella weak right now as far as bullish. Bulls pulling up here. I'm almost even interested in trading like gold, but there's really nothing to trade here on gold either. This is a huge leg. This entire leg here. I gotta reset my Fibonacci thing. Okay, there's one leg here. Second leg. Technically, this is third leg, but we'll just keep it here for now. If we're going and drawing a fib from this leg, or what am I talking about? We need to be drawing a fib from this level. That's the 50%. Okay, well, I mean that might be the 50%. Let me see. Yeah, that is 50%. Okay, that's fair.
Sweep in 2 buyers.
Okay, so the fib levels are actually not that bad. I just think they could be added some extra stuff, but gold's still falling. Nasdaq's looking hella weak. I don't know. ES has got some liquidity down here, as you can see. Oh, this should be logged into our paper account on this account here. How do we do that? Log in real quick. We do have lots of time, so we'll just see if something sets up or not. There was a VWAP trade technically you could have taken as well. Just because you've seen all this VWAP action right here, all this VWAP action supply, getting rejected right under this VWAP, and then right here getting rejected under VWAP as well. But taking a trade, like a VWAP trade like that right off the open is kind of crazy. Because that is the first move. Oh yeah, morning. What, can you hear me? Volume's good, bad?
So I think you stick to something that you do. But
We will hit oh damn.
in terms of not having to manage something that and you know that it's going to engage into
Alright, well,
in that case. But
I don't know what kind of day it's going to be today, but we'll have to wait and see. I say I'm going to aim for only 50 points and try to hit for 2 50-point trades instead of holding for one 100-point trade. That way it's a bit easier. There was a VWAP trade on the 1 minute here. Even you could have took one right here as well at this break. That's 58 points. I would have been out for the first trade. We'll see what happens.
Understanding the strategy works. You're not like buying like an algo and then like we do everything and then you just like lay back and like start.
Like, see, the thing is, Spy's not doing shit either, which is also really interesting, and you have to be kind of careful because.
The problem is
Let's
that you
see.
never understand what's happening and you can't really control
Where's Spy?
you can't tailor it to your
You guys can't really see this shit, but.
your personality. And you're just like, yeah, I'm signing up for this and like it is what it is. If I don't like it, it doesn't suit my style.
Spy is literally just consolidating.
The way that we build the algo,
Apple's consolidating.
the foundation, we give you
Microsoft's consolidating.
go through and kind of like change some of the settings, understand
What else?
works for you, what doesn't. What I mean by that is some people prefer higher win rate, the lower risk reward, and other people prefer
The orb, yeah, let me see.
risk reward with a lower win rate. It's totally up to you, and there's no right answer.
Yeah, we're within the orb right now, so I'm not really sure which way it's gonna go. Orb strategy is still valid right now.
It's really the most important thing, right? I mean, you don't really want someone to be like, this is the holy grail.
If we're headed to the downside, ideally we want to see something like this. Price gets broken, then comes back here, gets rejected, starts to head back down, and then you slap a short anywhere in this area, risking a very small amount, going for like 50, 60 points.
Success, do you understand this? Now, do I think that you should start with the algos? Probably not. I think that you get a little bit of a feeling for reports.
Wait, what orb strategy are you wait, what are you looking at? Are you looking at gold or NASDAQ? I'm looking at NASDAQ right now.
Not what you want to hear, but it's
It still hasn't broken out of the 50-minute range.
environments, and that's an important piece. So, using some of
Oh, you're looking at gold. Oh, okay. That makes sense.
the ID makes sense to me.
Yeah, gold. I was looking at gold for a second because I was like, it's actually falling, but
James said I would recommend these streams. They're very simple reports that you can use every day. Like, for example, today is one of them.
the thing you have to consider is that gold is now down about. Oh shit! Hold on. Well, first off, it's down about 50 points. We have another 23 points, 25 points before some buyers start to step in here around this level. So you got to be careful because gold probably there's a potential for a bounce at this 45. What is this number? It's a this pink 45, 50, yeah, 44.59. What the fuck's wrong with me? I can't even read. That could be like the first potential bounce level, so I'll be watching that level right here for gold. If gold like get made like a retest somewhere like in this zone up here, I would have took a short. And then you have silver,
But I know what you're saying for the extended.
which is honestly not doing a goddamn thing either. I mean, it literally was just consolidating. Now it's touching the floor. I gotta go back to NQ here. NQ's dumping. VWAP trade? Was I a VWAP trader? Was I interested in that? Not really, but I mean, it was there. Let's see if we get. Okay, here we go. 61 points to the downside. Let's see what happens here. Are we selling off? Should we go long here? Should we slap it long? Imagine I get slap it long and get absolutely screwed.
You can start. You can do the algos. Honestly, I don't really recommend it to start, just because there's a lot more that you're gonna have to like mentally manage. But the problem
Ideally, we just be trying to get a 60,
has never been
50 point trade.
start with the algos, because we have the tools to help you go and find the settings and everything else. We have all the videos. We have a private Discord. So there's that. But what an exit, by the way.
We'll see. 7 a.m. More data's coming out right now. We got news coming out in less than 1 minute. ISM manufacturing PMI prices coming out right now. So you can't really slap the trade. Just wait for this thing to come out. We could easily dump here, but I don't see any I mean, there are buyers here on the order book, that's for sure. But we have some heavy selling. And okay, so the data's not bad. But I should probably be a little bit patient, I guess, and just wait for this shit. I don't know, you know, SPY's, everything's looking like it's rolling over. Even NVIDIA's looking like it's rolling over. Wait, what kind of major? Oh, yeah, the major news is on Wednesday and then Friday. So maybe the market won't do anything today. Construction spending, dude, we're getting slammed right now. I wonder if I should slap along and just try it. 16 points. Yeah, there was news at 6:45 and 7 a.m. It just came out right now. But we have really important news on Wednesday and Friday, so this entire week is going to be kind of a mess. And then we have some pretty important earnings for like AI stocks, so that's going to also cause some stuff, some volatility. We also have a pretty important news tomorrow too, actually. See, this is why it's kind of hard to go long, because when you're seeing this 5 minute here, like, and this overall downtrend. Alright, let's slap this on right here, real quick. 7? Oh my god, dude, this thing's trying to kill me? What the frick?
Understand what are my A+ setups mentioned? What reports are setting up right now? And I only want to see the ones that are not good. Right now, like I just
Loki would be kind of retarded to take a long right now, so in that case, let me just stop this. Wait for an obvious long. There could be an orb setting up here for a short. Because obviously we're still going down. Dude, why does it keep going to 7, bro? This thing's trying to take me out.
got down on Monday for ES and NQ 70%, 71%. So the odds that price opens below and comes up and touches the line, which is
Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I tried to go long there. I tried to go long. It's not really a really good long, to be honest, but I'm only after 50 points anyways. Today's not really setting up to be like a really strong day. Okay, there's 27 points. Wow, I would have hit that. There's 34 points. Yeah, the thing that's tripping me out is like SPY's not moving. You can see here, like it's literally just going sideways. Same with Apple, Microsoft. And let me take a look at the volume actually. What are we doing average volume right now? NQ is doing more than average volume. ES is low volume, so Silver has barely any volume. What was this? This was like 30 points. I was trying to get at least 60, dude. Might just have to accept the fact that there may not be a really good setup this morning. Like we're in what? It's 7 a.m. and the range that we have created was 169 points. That's nothing. So. And price is still going back down. There's no follow through, no strength. It's probably because ES has super low volume. ES is below average. So. Like we're not getting any follow through anywhere. Let's take a look at gold. What's gold doing? One leg, two leg. I don't know. I can't take a trade on gold or silver. It's not really looking good on either. Let me take a look at this real quick. Let's look at this from an overall bigger perspective. Okay, silver. What the hell is this thing doing? We have a couple of demand zones here for silver. So not really that interesting. Check the 4 hour. Why is that there? I don't know. Oh, we're ripping right now, aren't we? Yeah. 60 points. Oh my days, that would have hit. Yeah, so silver's not real. I mean, silver's kind of in this weird spot because we're in this range. It's a 4.9 range, but like it's honestly kind of disgusting because it's like if you're not getting a long from the bottom and if you're not getting a short from the top, anything in between is just kind of a mess, right? Just delete this, keep it very simple. Here's your low, here's your high. Would you short from here? Maybe. I wouldn't. So yeah, silver's not really looking at anything for me at least. It's kind of just chilling in this area. What about gold? Let's look at gold. Gold's kind of in this weird ass spot as well. We could delete this, but I'll just keep it for now.
Personally, I do like it, but VS is quite strong, and also with NVIDIA, that's why
I mean, you can keep that on there too, but
I'm cautious of that being NVIDIA. I do like the short, so it would have to be a good
yeah, gold's kind of in this weird spot because you could just keep like if you're looking at the 4 hour, like this is kind of the low, the 44.05 ish level, and this is kind of the high, obviously. So it's kind of like it's weird because right now we're just in the middle,
But
and you can't even draw this as a demand zone because it only came here once.
guys, we are the only company that I know of that pays for your AI usage. Every other company makes you buy credits. We pay for your credits. When you use Expo AI,
So that's kind of a weird one.
we pay for your credits.
You do have an imbalance here, which is and a couple imbalances, but that's also why you're seeing this imbalance here. So, I mean, realistically, gold, your targets are like this area, and anywhere from here, it could reverse. It could literally reverse anywhere here. Those are kind of the areas that I'd be watching for gold. This whole demand zone right here, the 26
Happy about that actually. But yeah, something will do.
and 24. So I don't know. You could honestly put a line here as well, just cause. So take these lines.
For example, how, by the way, see if I should API. API is really
Yeah, it's not really looking like a pretty high quality day. Look at this long. I mean, sure, I would have got 60 points off that, but like, it's not even moving. Like, there's no strength, there's no follow through. Low volume day. Probably waiting for the news that we get on Wednesday, which is and Friday, which is the most important news. Trade evade, market interruptions. We're aware of a market interruption affecting trade evade. 6 p.m. to yeah, we already saw that. And you know, damn, bro, literally look at SPY. This is how you know it's a shitty day today. Like, legit. Look at SPY right here. This shit is barely moving. Like, that is retarded. When you have SPY doing this, like, let's go with SPY on a regular chart. That's how you know you should stay away.
I just asked how often does CSNQ break the opposite side of the previous day's high and low. For example, NQ cuts previous day's high, ES cuts previous day's low. There were 2 reports that I loaded in here.
Pre-market low. We're still wait, what the hell? Why are they doing that?
See, all the data
Is it not saved?
and see it for ES and NQ. You can go to full screen.
Oh, that's weird.
Whole thing all at once for all the days. So you can have a more of an in-depth view. But
There is a bit of a gap here, which is wild, but price is not really moving.
across 83 trading
So-
days, your data set opposite side touches you have it 4 times in total. 5% of all days will break the opposite side. So now that ES is touched,
That's crazy. All right, let's look at ARM.
it's actually very
Some of these names that are ripping right now.
NQ is going to come up especially with this. That's interesting. And yes, it's a wick. Yes, it was just a touch. But a touch is a touch. There's no subjective like, oh, it went this much lower or whatever. Like, a touch is a touch. So, it only happened 4 times, 5% of the days. So, really,
Tesla starting to break down. What else do we have here? Bitcoin. What the hell is Bitcoin doing? Absolutely nothing. Google's doing nothing. Meta's actually going lower. Nvidia is holding, but everything seems to be barcoding right now. Let's check the options chain for ARM. This would probably be a good time to make some videos.
I'm wary of it potentially. So I also be yeah. I made my money already today, so I'll probably be
Zscaler, dude. Did we just talk about this one last week? Maybe we might have talked about it last week. Yeah, we did. It's at the bottom. Trying to recover here. 300% on the contracts. Wow, three to five times your money. Not bad. Look at Neo. Neo's up 8% on what news? We don't really care about Neo, to be honest. Oh shit. Oh my god, everything's in the money on ServiceNow. 5 times your money. That's crazy. DraftKings is up. Toast is up. These random ass names up today. And Space Dock's getting absolutely obliterated. I gotta screenshot that. Whoa, dude. Screenshot that real quick. Throw that over here.
Oh, really? What do you think about the shorts you're in? Like,
Yeah, I mean,
up to like the 70s,
yeah,
like 30-ish, 35 point stop targeting or below.
yeah, you have to tell the world those too.
What the hell's going on here?
I just am wary. Yeah, it's like 4.
Why the frick is it going in the middle?
Ooh, there's the headline. There is a headline right there.
Look what I was saying with EA.
I just took the short with a tight stop at 394. Super high risk, by the way. You never know what the headline is. You get blown out, but the entry at 394.
Should have got 60 points there, and that's pretty much it, really. Should have took the long at the open. That's about it. Range bound, nothing too crazy.
So, realistically,
Why is that screenshot showing up on the side?
the thing is, I don't want to go for an 85 point. I would realistically probably close this at like 330 if it back down. But, you know, this is a super high risk trade, so I don't want it to like copy the trade. I don't know when this would be very difficult.
Dude, why is it going in the middle? Okay, what time was that? That was about like 7:15-ish. 7:15 a.m. Space Docks are getting killed. We have to take a look at this. It has something to do with SpaceX. I think I just saw a headline.
Ice for
Like,
ES.
I'm not gonna do it.
Got a nice entry pass, bro.
Okay, let's see gold. I mean, realistically,
I do
I don't know
prefer
what this target do. Because I
gotta see like a nice leg to the upside of at least 50. Oh shit! What the fuck is going on here?
5 point move is a lot.
Oh shit!
So I take it off at the 40s.
I think a fair retracement on gold would be up to here. 4,500, 4,510. To just, but I still wouldn't even take a short. That is such BS, dude. No setups today. No setups today at all. I mean, there's probably some people that are blowing their accounts trying to trade this BS, but. Space Dock's getting obliterated, dude.
I'm gonna close this here. Just closed it. I'm
In
not
the double digits. Alright, we might as well just take a look at some of this stuff and see what's going on for the day.
I just closed it, which I usually would not do so early, but
Okay, ARM, let's see what's happening here.
where it is almost exactly
NVIDIA's rolled out roiled the semiconductor sector with a launch of PC chip, but there's one beneficiary, semiconductors and design arms. Alright, let's write that down. Headline.
not really too big of a fan of this, to be honest. Like, even if it does touch the lows here, I don't know what was driving this.
Because even Micron's up, right? MV's up for about 5. We'll screenshot that real quick. Dude, what is happening here? Why are these things constantly going in the middle?
The ISM was a while ago. ISM
Okay, that was the only headline we saw with ARM.
really good timing with the entry, really good timing with the exit so far. Honestly, for anyone who's seen my trades,
Late Sunday unveiled a spark.
I've taken these types of trades. It's always very aggressive.
ARM should drop 10% in pre-market. Oh, IBM. We didn't even look at IBM. Okay, we'll take a look in a second.
Taking a trade like this with
IBM.
one direction. I've probably done it like 6 or 7 times on stream.
5% as well.
And every time it has been a winner, except the last time. The last time I did it, I think it was last
Let's redo this. Let's retake a screenshot real quick.
like no, like the catalyst was real. So when I take these trades, pretty much I'm banking on the fact that the catalyst is not real. You just kind of have to wait to see when is the momentum going to slow. And in this case, a 52-point move and call it.
I don't know what anyone wants to do with this garbage right now. ES is not moving. SPY's not moving. It's most likely not going to be a really good day to trade, Sarah. For right now, at least, there's most likely not going to be any trades.
Not one of the best
When you have SPY in a room in a range like this and it's not moving,
that style where you're just kind of like fading that initial.
unless you want to take one of these, but like the opportunity was basically this low, and that's pretty much about it.
And specifically, I'll take what it is to get it because this was not, I wasn't using one of the reports to take this trade. This was a totally
Save the capital. Show of tomorrow.
trade that I was using. Also really good exit here. It's extremely unlikely that price does this. With NVIDIA pushing the way that it is,
I don't even need the EMAs at this point. This is just embarrassing. I'm still. Yeah, let's take a look at buy of zone 4454, 4443.
long term it's solid, honestly, but I think this run was a little bit scary. And I think that in hindsight, while this was happening, I remember being yes, exactly.
Yeah, I basically have my buys around there as well. Like if I was to go long on gold, that's basically what you're waiting for. Because I mean, this is the first. Like, there's no guarantee that like gold's gonna stop at this area. It could just rip all the way down. But if this is gonna bounce, this is the first zone where it would bounce right here. If it does bounce, which is between 4464 and 4451. And then there's another zone down here, 4426 to 4400, which is like the next bounce zone. And the easiest way to find that out is if you just go on the 1 hour or even the 4 hour, you can basically see where the lows are. So this is the other low, and then you have a major low down over here at this. What level is this? 4384 to 4351. Down right here.
Sniper entry, very lucky exit.
I'm just assuming that gold would probably reverse somewhere in these zones, but really, to be honest, gold's gonna move depending on what kind of macro headlines that we have. So the important data that we have coming out is gonna be Wednesday and Friday. So like we're probably not gonna get a very big move until then.
Say like I think it could be like a potential high, but I like the
And like to be honest, me personally, I would never buy around this area either. I rather just wait price gets to this zone. If price gets down here, that's kind of like the first decent area to try to go long on gold.
I just haven't really found
To be honest, gold's still pretty short as of right now, especially on this 1 hour candle. Like, if you are thinking about taking a trade on gold, you should be thinking to go short. And honestly, just take it down to, yeah, like almost 30 points. The 1 hour candle's getting slammed right now. It wouldn't be a bad idea to like take the next 1 hour trade. If you take if the next one, if this one next 1 hour goes down here. Yeah, if you take a short on a higher time frame, don't take it on a low time frame because you might get a pullback and your entry is going to be kind of shit. But the 1 hour I think is pretty safe. Like this 1 hour candle just got obliterated, just got slammed. So if you get another candle that opens around this 44.75, like entering around this area like this, setting at like a pretty short stop and then taking it to like, yeah, something like that. But there's still 30 minutes left on this 1 hour candle, so this is the 30-minute. Check the 15.
Yeah, they've proven themselves. Like the prop space is not going anywhere. I think it's also really great for the trading space overall. And like
I gotta record some videos today.
the barrier of entry is getting lower and lower.
I gotta record like 2, maybe 3 to 4 videos maybe.
Buying new balance is $20 and
Yeah, it's not 2,000.
I use TradeMate by the way.
I do think though like from a new trader to trade at the market is actually a lot better than putting take back. You can go and take back. You buy like $5 and trade it, which is $5.
Yeah. I see comments about that. That's actually a problem. What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
I forgot we have Super Grok.
Do it. There's
So I'd actually be interested to see what
yeah, what do you guys think? That's the problem. What do you guys think?
I'll be the and then I'm going to people like mine.
No, I think that do it. Let's do it. Yeah, the reaction has always been like super positive. Interesting. Don't lose focus.
Where's my billing settings? I don't even like the 30. I like only the 1 hour. That kind of looks good to me on gold. And maybe let's check the 1 hour on silver. Silver looks absolutely retarded. I'll tell you that right now. We're like, yeah, it just looks retarded.
The comment from Scott here is you might lose money doing it. The important thing about which I hope that all
Oh look, Apple's syncing right now. That's not moving SPY. SPY's still sitting in the same spot. Bro, how do I check my billing on here? I totally forgot how to do it. Help center, privacy, my account.
offers also make money when you're live. So when you're live, you guys make money together, right? So if you can prove that you're actually a consistent trader, you trade with their real money, you can start to make money
Oh, we're chilling. We're so chilling. I gotta stress about nothing. Cool.
There was like a
Oh, Virgin Galactic. Yeah, whatever. Who cares about Virgin Galactic? Okay, let me go back to do my research real quick.
payouts. But once you get consistent payouts, you get
IBM, Dell. Dell was moving today, 10%. What's going on here? Dell upgraded on successful navigation and memory shortage. Is managing CPU supply shortage. Better than his peers, prompting Morgan Stanley analysts to change their tune about the stock and upgrade it to equal weight from underweight. Fair.
to the live phase and get as many people as possible consistent enough profitable to the end of the live phase.
Dell. That's pretty much it. What else is moving? Zscaler's moving. What happened here? Zscaler lost 32% of its value following their earnings reports, and people are just buying it up, I guess. Trying to make their money back.
So Wyatt, I was just explaining.
Okay. HP. What's going on here?
I was just explaining. Oh, now you said.
Where's HP?
Right on. How do you make a profit on the line of the trader? So that's the way that it would
What the
work.
frick's that? Okay,
That's the way
hold on.
that I would do is give everyone the tools that they would need to get the funding to start. Live
Today's gonna be an absolute shit day, dude.
make money with
Bro, HP, bro. Whoa, look at this thing.
when you trade with live counter trading.
Oh no, never mind. It's not actually that impressive.
Consistent enough, but the ideal goal is to get everyone to live. Now, if you're gonna YOLO your account on CPI or whatever, like obviously you deserve to be live, story. But if you can get in an ideal world, obviously it's not the case, but like if you can get everyone to the live phase, because you're giving them the tools,
I mean, that's a pretty strong bounce for HP. This is
whatever else, there's obviously the side of, there's obviously that side
HP. This 30% last month. That's freaking crazy.
theoretically get everyone live. The incentive is aligned. I want to get everyone live.
Software stocks are rallying again. Yeah, I got it.
Our incentives are aligned.
Dude, am I? What? They're not letting me see this. Continue reading this article. They want me to sign in, bro. What the frick?
I know I see that you wrote, Wyatt, you wrote,
Something's happening here. I can hear it.
I don't know specifically what they're doing, but it's interesting.
ServiceNow is leading the software comeback. These stocks. ServiceNow is a cluster of other stocks were rallying on Monday. The latest signal investors that the beaten down sector may be mounting the comeback. ServiceNow share 7%. Where is ServiceNow? Yeah, it's right here.
It's a disaster.
All this info is super helpful for when I make a video later. What else? I think that's pretty much it. Software stocks are on the rise right now. Semiconductor stocks are lifted because of Nvidia. What else is moving? Some of the memory stocks. We have what the hell is SND? What's SND? What is this? Software? Construction materials. What the frick? Why am I? The fuck? This is probably a mistake.
It's just illegal to get it set up. It's like 250K to 500K just to get the docs. Yep. Just for the docs. For like the
Dude, ARM is at 15%, bro. Let's look at the contracts. They're probably ripping right now.
every single thing that you're allowed and not allowed to do. So for anyone who says who's like, oh, you should just go and raise money.
Damn, look at these contracts. Let's take a look.
Of course, it makes like it puts in
Let's go into two.
there is this document. There's like two main documents that you have to have for construction. One of them is what you're allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do. When you go and raise money, you have to see
300%.
investors of what like
Oh, these contracts are expensive. Never mind. What the frick? $2,000.
I'm allowed to
Oh shit! Stock's at 400. I'm tripping.
trade if you say if you're like let's call it like the Bible or like whatever the rules.
Palantir stock.
There's amazing opportunity with stocks or options. You can't do it.
IBM, same thing, right? Extends gains. This time it's not about quantum. As expanding in recent history, propelled by ongoing quantum hype and high-profile federal endorsements. Yeah, flashy area precisely what investors look. Barclay initiated coverage on stock on Monday, rating a buy at 350 price target. So this got to upgrade as well. IBM. I'll probably sit here for like another 10 minutes and then go get some food. That's about it. Oh, we're gonna move higher here on the I mean that is kind of expected since it's Service Now, we already looked at that. Micron, we never looked at that. Micron just posted its best month since 1985. Its best month. Yeah, software stocks, man, are ripping through the roof right now. I can't wait to make a video on this later.
It's a lot, and then you need to start to make all the money outside the fees, and it's just like
Everything takes like, yeah, you gotta make money outside of
all the expenses to run the hedge fund. So you're gonna pick up expenses.
Wow, ARM is ripping, dude.
So I went to Northeastern University, and they have a co-op program. So pretty much the way that Northeastern works is so you have no summer break. You have 6 months of class, 6 months of work. There's no summer break. So you go from January to June, all class. You go from June, whatever, July, December, all work. Like a full time, you go into the office every single day. So pretty much the way that you, in an ideal sense, is like you get these co-ops. It's like 6 months of work.
I'm such a buffoon for not taking a long both times when we tap this zone. Like, literally had, okay, forget this view off, I don't even need it. We had multiple touches here on this side.
That's the way that I do it. My last co-op was at Goldman. They gave me a full-time offer, and I worked at Goldman. It's full-time, like it's not like you're doing an internship, because it's not a 10-week thing, like it's 6 months. The way that it works.
Literally, she just took a long. I would have made $400 a day at the very least.
Yeah, like you're there, you're in the office, you're like equivalent to any other person that's in there. The only thing that you can do in the beginning is that like you don't have the licenses, but once you graduate, you have to get the licenses.
Yeah, I would have made $200 to $400 if I slapped that, but it is what it is.
Pretty critical to get that job because of the connection, like the co-op program and that connection to Goldman. So like if I didn't go there, it would have been a lot harder for me to get that full-time offer. But yeah, that's how it works. You know, I have pretty strong thoughts on like most people just like think that they're doing more than they really are. And I always like think this about myself too. I'm like, yeah, you think you're doing more than you really are. But if you really just try your best at anything for an extended period of time, like you will excel above like everyone else. Like it's so easy now with like the world being so
Alright, literally, I'm wasting hella time here. Probably gonna give us another. Well, dude, what's going on here? MacBook? Oh, it's tripping, dude.
that if you just
Whole market's red. Nvidia is the only thing that's fucking green, and then IBM and tech, or actually all these tech names. ServiceNow, crowds barely creeping up, but literally everything else. Micron's up 6%, and everything else. Energy's green, and the entire market is red. So that kind of gives you an idea of what the hell is happening. Let's play some music.
I have two Mac displays. It's not a flex like that at all. That version of two monitors. I have a MacBook. I have a studio display in front of here. I have a studio display in front of here. And the new one that I went to go pick up, the guy was like, "Oh, you're a young guy. Like, what do you do?" Looks like some younger guy. Looks like he's like at the Apple store. So I'm like, "Oh, I'm here to pick up the studio display." And he was like, "What do you do?" I'm like, "I son of a bitch." No, it's really not a flex, but like, he was like, "What do you do that like you buy one of these? Like, you're a young guy." And I was like, "I own a software company." And I shared it. And he was like, "Oh, that's like super interesting. Like, can you tell me about it? About data analytics and whatever else?" And he was like, "How do you learn?" And I was like, "Well, it's this day and age that you can go on YouTube. Let's take AI. You can go on YouTube and become genuinely more experienced than like 90% of people by spending one weekend really like 8 hours rented on YouTube, like diving into content."
Whoa! Look at what's up on the pre-market. I mean, the gappers for today. 400. I mean, these are penny stocks, but 300%, 165%. Things are ripping.
Whether it's trading, like whatever else, like if you spend 20 hours learning about trading, you're already ahead of like not exactly like 80%.
We have a video where they're lifting up all the software
It's like
games
a
and
little bit
CDs.
is yeah, you can do anything that you like genuinely like put your mind to. And I believe that for anyone. The thing is that like
Alright, that'd be BRB. Be right back.
Peace out.
it's like you start a company. Let's just take trading out of the equation for a second. You start a company. You want to sell t-shirts. Really simple.
Unfortunate and few buyers.
First 2 months,
Iceland and
you're
few
really
buyers.
excited. You get the inventory. You start selling it. You get 1 or 2 sales. Your friends buy from you, and then it's like kind of slow. But how much marketing are you doing? Like how many eyeballs are you getting? Like it's like in that case, like if you're just posting on your Instagram story like once a day, you're expecting like
Alright, I'm finna log off. 32%. CoreWeave's up 30% too. Wow, market safe. 14%. Unbelievable. ARM up 17%. Are you nuts? Bro. Nah, that's crazy, dude. Damn, Monday.com up, and I didn't even see what the hell's happening here. Why the hell is Monday.com up?
Sweep and Q buyers.
And why does it keep going there, dude? Oh my god, Seeking Alpha, dude. Screw Seeking Alpha. It was up 9.7%. Oh, earnings today. Oh, I didn't even see that they had earnings today. Wait, what? Did they have earnings? It wasn't on the list. What day was this? The 23rd. Oh, that was on the 23rd. Oh, never mind. That was last week.
Sweep and Q sellers. Stop and Q sell.
That's okay. ServiceNow. These software stocks. I mean, dude, we saw this happen well, actually, I saw this coming about 4 weeks ago.
CS buyers.
If you want, go crazy for it. If you want, you gotta go. Wow, it's an absolute insane day, dude. As space gets freaking annihilated, software is ripping. In fact, let's see where Space Mobile are. Space Mobile's at a pretty good spot right here. I'm not gonna lie, I buy calls here on the down days and hope to call 3 months out. Once it starts to base. Crowd out for. You know, I forgot what CoreWeave actually does. Do I have CoreWeave on my dashboard here? Oh, CoreWeave right here. AI infrastructure. GPU cloud company renting NVIDIA GPU clusters to AI companies for training interface. The role in the AI trade is GPU cloud picks and shovels for the AI model trail at scale. OpenAI as an anchor customer, significant high growth, high capex, customer concentration are risks to the monitor. Cool, CoreWeave. If you want, you gotta go crazy for it. I can make a video on this too. You gotta go crazy for it. Dude, look at freaking ES, dude. Not moving at all. What is this? This is CrowdStrike? Yeah, this thing's gone, bro. Look at the daily. Almost 9%. We're up almost 5 today. ARM's at almost 20%. Jesus, look at these contracts. We're up 400. You would have made 100% from the time I looked at it this morning. That's crazy. Let's go to the options page. Let's get serious with it. IBM? What the fuck's IBM here for? It's supposed to be I'm tripping? Okay.
Sweep 10, 2 fires.
It's funny because we have Apple here and Apple's not really doing much. Let me be, let me be. Let me be, let me. I think we pretty much have got all the news about all of this SaaS companies, right? Because if we go into our SaaS, where is it? Okay, so all AI names are up. AI, Oracle, pretty much all the AI names. Cybersecurity is up. SaaS is up. HubSpot's a 4. What the fuck's this reason at 14%? Earnings today? No, not even. HubSpot's at the lows though. Who wants to even touch this? That's a shitty stock. Datadog, ripping higher. Back-to-back 9% days for data. It's called Datadog, right? Yeah, Datadog. That's wild. Contracts are also ripping on this. Yeah. Snow. Anyway, I don't even know why this is running. AI. It's not even AI. It's like it's just software. 500%. That's crazy. These contracts are. This is a pretty expensive stock. But barely anybody's holding these ones. And then we have, what is this? Software.
Iceberg and QCell. Iceberg and QCell.
Wow, this thing is ripping, dude. Alright, I'm getting out of here because I got other things to do. I ended up flat for the day. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, whoever's tuning in, but I'm getting out of here now.
Iceberg and Q-Cell.